Please take action and help release my father, a known Uyghur journalist, editor-in-chief from China's internment camps. My name is Behram Qurban, and I am an United States citizen, an Uyghur American. I moved to America in 2008 from Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. I have lived in North Virginia area for 10 years now. I am married and I have a 7-year-old son. I run a fitness company for a living. My father, Qurban Mahmud, is 68 years old, is currently detained in an internment camp in Urumqi, Xinjiang, China. He was detained since December 2017, and I have confirmed this information from multiple sources. I miss my father, my mother, my sister, and I would give anything to see them again and let them know how much I love them. I had lost contact with my family members since this February 2018. Because Xinjiang police made it a crime and prohibited Uyghur people from communicating with their relatives outside of China. I worry about my father's health, and I have no clue of his well-being. Based on eyewitnesses' account of people who have been to those camps, detainees are not treated as human beings. A recent tragic news story reported by Radio Free Asia stated that a known Uyghur journalist currently committed suicide by jumping 8th floor of his office building when police had come to take him to the camp. This story alone reveals how dangerous internment camps are. I am currently living in horror, thinking about my father 24/7 since his detention. This already had mentally and emotionally impact on me. I can no longer continue my life as normal, but I am trying to look happy for my 7-year-old son. My son loves his grandfather, and he always asks me about when his grandfather will visit the US again. My mom is in bad medical condition. She was sent to hospital 2 times since my father's detainment, and my sister is the only person who is taking care of her. There is no justifiable reason for Chinese government to detain my father. My father worked as editor-in-chief at one of the most well-known Uyghur magazine, Xinjiang Civilization, from 1985 to 2011. In his more than 40-year career, he made tremendous contribution to Uyghur journalism and culture. Since April 2017, Chinese police detained reportedly about 1 to 3 million Uyghur, Kazakh, and other local Turkic people. This has affected not only those in camps, but their family members outside who have not been able to see their loved ones. The kids left behind from their parents' detainment were sent to Chinese boarding schools for forced assimilation. The Xinjiang police conduct mass arrests of who has traveled outside of China, those who practice their religion, those who have relatives outside of China, those who work or promoted Uyghur education, culture, art, sport or someone are arrested just simply being an Uyghur or Kazakh. We are living in deep pain and suffering, and these are the darkest times that we are living in. The world has promised this will never happen again, and yet Uyghurs are the victims of 21st century Holocaust. I can only pray to God to save my father, my family, and my people. I also call President Donald Trump and his administration, Vice President Mike Pence, and all U.S. senators, governors, representatives on both sides to take immediate action to save my father and other U.S. citizens' relatives in hell of Communist Party in Xinjiang. I won't stop raising my voice for my father, for my family and my people. And I believe my country, my president, my government of America will save a wonderful nation before it's too late.